In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the frustrating media offline error in DaVinci Resolve. Now, if you've been using this powerful editing software, you've probably encountered this issue at least once. Typically, the media offline error appears because some of your files have been moved, renamed, or even deleted, breaking the link between your project and the actual media files on your computer. But don't worry, I'm here to guide you through a simple process to get your project back on track. First, let's open up your existing project within DaVinci Resolve. Once you've done that, it's likely you'll see the dreaded red media offline indicators if there's an issue. This just means that Resolve can't find the files it needs to play your media because their location has changed or they're simply not there under the path specified. It could have happened due to a myriad of reasons. Maybe accidental movement of files or renaming that you didn't anticipate would cause problems. To start resolving this, head over to the Media Pool area where your files are listed. Find one of the affected media files and right-click on it. This action will bring up a context menu. You want to look for the option that says Relink Selected Clips. By clicking this, you are telling Resolve where to refocus its links so it can find your clips again. In the next step, what you'll want to do is browse through your computer's File Explorer to find the correct folder containing your missing clips. It's essential to have a good idea where these files are located, otherwise this step could be akin to searching for a needle in a haystack. Once you've located the right folder, go ahead and click Select Folder. This action gives DaVinci Resolve a new location to look at for your lost media. After you've pointed Resolve in the right direction, the software itself will automatically carry out a search within the specified folder for any files that match the missing ones in your project. It's a swift process, leveraging Resolve's capability to efficiently scan and match file names and metadata, saving you the hassle of relinking each file manually. Now, after all these steps, your media offline errors should disappear, and your timeline will be restored with all files perfectly synced. If for some reason this doesn't solve the issue, it might be worth double-checking the folders to make sure all necessary clips are still intact and haven't been altered beyond recognition by the software. In this guide, fixing the media offline error is just a few clicks away, allowing you to get back to editing without further interruptions. So there you have it, an easy, stress-free way to tackle the media offline dilemma in DaVinci Resolve.